All right, guys, Mikey here from the Electric Scooter Guy. And guys, I'm at one of the most beautiful places in Yonkers, New York, right on the border of the Bronx. As you can see, nice beautiful view of Manhattan. You could actually see the Twin Towers, the World Trade Center from here. The World Trade Center, even the Empire State Building. Well, it's not called the World Trade Center anymore. It's called the Freedom Tower, but you could see it right there in the distance. But anyways, guys, this is not about the scenery. This is about my Kaabo Wolf Warrior 11 Plus. And I know I did a video the other day, a fluid free ride. And I told you guys what they did to it, but I didn't tell you guys everything that they did to this scooter. And I tell you, they did a fantastic job. It's brand new again. It only had about 1,000 miles on it. But, you know what? I figured the winter's coming. Let me change the brakes. Let me change the suspension. Let me just, get everything ready for the winter. So when the springtime comes, I'll be ready and good to go. Now, I didn't need brakes, but they did change my brakes. They changed the brake pads. They changed the brake lines. They changed the calipers. They also changed the brake levers. They changed both brake levers because when I first got this scooter, you see this little thing right here? This wasn't even in there, so this was dangling off. It happened in shipping. Nothing you could do about that. So Fluid Free Rides came, they picked the scooter up, they fixed it, and they dropped it back off to me. So they changed both levers because this lever was fucked up too. Why, I don't know, but this lever was fucked up too. So they changed both levers, they bled the brakes, they did all that. They did, they put the new cartridges on the back for the back suspension. It's a lot stiffer now. The stock Kaabo suspension is fucking horrible. I mean, yeah, for the first 1,000 miles, 800 miles, depending how much you weigh, yeah, it's good. It feels like you're riding on air. But then after about 1,000 miles, the back starts to sag down a little bit, and that's what was happening to me. And like I said, I only weigh 140 pounds. So imagine I was 200 pounds. It would probably be bottoming out. So they gave me a real nice stiff suspension that's going to last a few years, he said. And they're polyurethane. Now, the biggest problem was this right here. This piece right here. There's 3 bolts down here. And 2 of them got sheared off. So this piece right here was actually moving a little bit. So that's where I was getting the creaking and cracking noise. And when I would take off or when I would like push the bike back and forth, I would feel it like move a little bit. So this piece was moving. Now, they gave me a used neck, but it's like brand new. They couldn't get a new one because of the COVID shit, and they couldn't get it from China. So they didn't want me to wait another 2 weeks for my scooter. So they gave me a used one, but it's like brand new. So anyways, this piece right here, right, is connected to the frame. So they had to change the whole frame all the way around. They changed this piece, they changed the folding mechanism because it was all fucked up. I mean, I knew there was something wrong, but I don't know how that happened because you know what? Guys off-road these scooters. They beat the shit out of these fucking Kaabos, and I don't see anybody having these kind of problems. I don't even ride in turbo mode half the times. I don't even beat on this shit. I don't know how the fuck that happened, but it did, and it sucked because it ended up costing me like $400 because I had to get the brakes done. Yeah, there was some things that were warranted, and there were some things that weren't warranted. The labor wasn't warranted. But you know what? I got a brand new Kaabo Wolf Warrior 11 Plus. It is absolutely mint condition now. I couldn't be happier. It doesn't make any noises, no jingling sounds. It was making a jingling sound. You want to know why? See the plastic braiding on this? It sucks. I wish it had the rubber braiding like the Dualtron, and the new Kaabo GT has the rubber braiding. Because you know what? When you go over bumps, it makes like a jingling noise. So what I did was I taped it up over here and it made that go away. And also too, I had to tape this up a little bit as well because this wire was moving and hitting against this. So when you would go over bumps, it was making a jingling sound, making all sorts of noises. Now, nice and fucking quiet because I cannot stand a scooter that makes creaking, cracking, jingling sounds. It's horrible. I hate that. And it makes the bike feel like a piece of shit. But anyways, guys, the bike is totally brand new. I mean, I don't even need tires. The tires are still fucking brand new. So I couldn't be happier. And if you guys are in the market for a Kaabo, man, go for the Kaabo Wolf King. Even the Kaabo Wolf Warrior 11 Plus, guys. It's a 52-mile-an-hour scooter. I get it up to 54, 55 because of my weight. But it's an awesome scooter. Awesome scooter. And what you get for $3,000, 2,800 you could get this for. The King you could get for 3,000. I mean, you can't go wrong, guys. You can't go wrong with the Kaabo Wolf Warrior 11 Plus, the King, or the GT. The GT is only going to be about $500 more than the King. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. What a beautiful day. I'm about to head right down to Manhattan because it's a gorgeous day and there's nothing, and I mean nothing, like going down the West Side Highway along the Hudson River. You just take this straight down and it brings you right into Manhattan. Guys, Mikey from the Electric Scooter Guy, peace out.